Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly upgrade your laptop's RAM, and I have with me 4 different types of RAM here. The first one here is PC4 2400T. It is of 16 GB, the same as this. This is also PC4, but now you can see it's 3200. They have the same DDR4 RAM, but the speed is different. And then I have this one being PC3L, you can see 12800S. So this is the DDR3 RAM, and there's a difference between the DDR3 and the DDR4 RAM. Put them like this. There's that difference in where we have the notch, and even if I turn it this other side, the notch is a bit backwards. That means a laptop that uses DDR4 cannot use DDR3 RAM because the notch separation is a bit different in both of them. Now, this is your laptop and you want to upgrade the RAM. What do? First and foremost, turn on the laptop, go to the task manager, that is use Control Shift Escape, and once on the task manager, go to the performance tab right over here. Under the performance tab, come to where you have the memory. Now this is very important, be keen right here. You can see type of speed, the speed is 2400, and you can see the RAMs that you have here. This is 2400T, so it means this RAM is compatible with this one. Most of the DDR4 RAMs fit in laptops all from 6th gen laptops and above, but DDR3 they fit in 5th gen and below. So apart from that, come and check here the number of slots used, and you can see here slots used is 1 out of 2. So it means I have 1 extra slot to add another RAM on this particular laptop. Yours might be 2 out of 2, and that means you have 2 slots that are unused and you have to sacrifice 1 to add another RAM. But if you see here, if it is not written sodimm like this, then it means you are on board and you can't upgrade. After that, shut down the laptop. Let's shut it down. I'm assuming you've already opened all the screws of that laptop. For this particular laptop, ensure that you also unscrew the screws we have right underneath these 2 holes. They're hidden. So after that, I remove the back cover, and then once you are able to access the bottom cover, forget about the cockroach you have right over here. These are what normally short the motherboard, so ensure your laptop is clean. First thing first, detach the battery before you do anything to the laptop. Detach the battery, and this is where we have the battery connector. So I'm going to detach it from the motherboard. After that, we have our RAM modules. This is the first RAM, and then we have the second RAM slot here written DIMM2. So this is where you add your RAM, and as you can see, the first RAM that is installed here, it's of 16 GB. Confirm the speed was 2400. So it means for us, we have to upgrade this particular laptop with the RAM of the same speed, and this one right here is not of the same speed. This is 3200. So it means this RAM has a higher speed than the one installed right over here. What happens when you install a 3200 speed to a 2400 speed? In such situation, what normally happens that if you combine these 2 RAMs, this 3200 RAM here will have to be downgraded to match the 2400 RAM speed. So it will operate with the lowest RAM speed. Therefore, for you to ensure that you maximize the potential of this RAM with a higher speed, put them together, the one that has higher speed 3232, so that you experience this 3200 speed. If not, you will only experience 2400, and it will also downclock this to 2400. What you'll do is you get a RAM that is compatible, and I have one here, not necessarily 16 like the one I have. You can even replace it with 8 or 4, but ensure the speed is the same. So here the speed is 2400T. Let me just zoom it closer to the camera. Yeah, right there we have 2400T, just the same as what we have there. And now this is how you place in the RAM. You start with this position. When it's lifted like this, ensure that the golden part enters in through properly, and then after that, just click it until you hear that click from the 2 metals we have on the sides, that way. And now your RAM is properly soldered in. In case you had 2 RAMs and you wanted to remove one so that you add another one of higher capacity, what do? You just use your 2 hands, you slide these towards the left, the metallic part right, this one here, slide it towards the left like that, and then you also slide this towards the left. You'll hear the RAM popping out. So what you do is you slide it outwards like that, and you have your RAM. It's very, very simple. Put it back once again in. I remove it just like that, and you're done. Now once you've done everything, put back your battery. And now we're going to test it. Let's turn it on. Give you some time. Once you've replaced the RAM, it normally takes a bit of time to boot up because it's configuring the additional RAM, and you'll get an error here that you've upgraded the RAM and it's not the same as the one that you had earlier. Now you can see, yeah, we're done. Now you have a post configuration error here. Memory size, the system memory size is different from the last startup, so that means it has detected the RAM that you added and we are good to go. So if you press on enter, we are good to go, and our laptop is currently running on 32 GB RAM. Guys, that is it. If you found that video useful, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like as usual. See you next time on another one, and just as important like this, stay tuned and stay locked in. Now let's check our RAM. You can see here we have 32 GB of RAM installed. Very nice.